Hello everyone, I'm hairstylist and I recently purchased the adjustable salon service rolling tray, and it has been a game changer in my beauty salon. The tray is incredibly sturdy and lightweight, making it easy to move around my workspace without any hassle. The wheels glide smoothly, and the adjustable height is perfect for customizing into my needs, whether I'm working on haircuts, coloring, or other treatments. It's spacious enough to hold all my tools and products, keeping everything organized and within reach. This tray has made my workflow so much more efficient, and I highly recommend it to any hairstylist or salon professional looking for a reliable, functional, and lightweight cart.